Wingsuiting, the reason why I did it, because frankly, belly flying is just too hard.
I like to wingsuit because of the speed and the power and being able to fly with other people.
Flying a wingsuit is like being a human airplane. What I love about it is the speed, the glide, the longer flight.
What I love about wingsuiting is the people and also the innovation of all the gear. I think bringing those two together allows us to fly faster and just enjoy our time in the sky.
I like the power that the wingsuit gives you when you're flying through the air.
Okay, so the best part about flying a wingsuit is that instead of just falling off the sky, we are flying through the sky.